Adebola. I'm a 400 level law student of Alhikmah University, Ilorin. My hobbies are reading, meeting new people, exploring new things and new opportunities, and most importantly, one of my favorite hobbies is eating. So I was nominated by Musa Dolapo of State University to talk about the case Inakoju versus Adeleke. So I will be stating the facts and then the issues in context and the court holdings. So on the 13th of December 2005, the appellant went to a hotel in Ibadan, Oyo State, where they suspended the draft rules of Oyo State House of Assembly, and then they brought an issue. They issued a notice of allegation of misconduct against Senator Ladoja, who was the governor, and then they proceeded into impeaching him and replacing him with the deputy, which was Alhikmah. So on the 22nd of December 2005, the appellants brought a motion. They passed a motion in the Oyo State House of Assembly stating that the House should investigate the misconduct of the governor of Oyo State. This was done without the consent of 2/3 majority of the 32 members of the House of Assembly. So, aggrieved by this procedure, the plaintiff then instituted an action against them in the High Court of Justice of Oyo State, which was done by way of originating summons. So, I'm going to be briefing us about two issues in context in this case. So the first issue is whether the Court of Appeal was right in determining maybe the High Court had jurisdiction to entertain questions of impeachment of the parties interested, and also whether the respondent had the locus standi to institute this action in court. The first one is that the Supreme Court made it clear that the decisions of the Court of Appeal was affirmed, and also the decisions of the High Court was totally overruled because they had no jurisdiction to entertain such a matter. And the second issue in context was to talk about the fact that if the respondent had the local standard to institute such an action because it was affirmed by the Supreme Court that they had the local standard to institute such an action in court, and this was done in the High Court of Justice in Oyo State. So the court held in this case that the provision of section 188 sub 1 to 9 of the 1999 Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria must be complied with if any governor or deputy governor must be impeached from their official office. And then it was also said that subsection 10 of 188 must not be read differently. It must be read together with subsection 1 to 9 before it can be used against the governor or deputy governor. So basically, that is what this the whole case is about. It basically talks about which court had the jurisdiction to entertain such an impeachment matter and how it was not constitutionally done. Before a governor can be impeached from his official office, he must have followed the due course of law. Because anything that does not go with the provision of the Constitution will definitely be declared null and void. So I will be stopping here, and I will be nominating Obada Toyosi from Achievers University to talk about the defects in criminal justice system in Nigeria. So special shout out to LSWK for giving me this opportunity. I really appreciate it, and God bless.